If you're experiencing account sync issues in The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause syncing issues, so try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Restart The Sims 4. Close The Sims 4 completely and restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches and sync issues. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates through your game launcher or platform origin, Steam, etc., and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear the cache of The Sims 4. This can often resolve sync issues. To do this, navigate to the GameOS installation folder, find the cache files and delete them. Restart the game afterward. Step 5. Relink your account. If the problem persists, try unlinking and then relinking your EA account. Go to the game settings, find the account section, and follow the prompts to unlink your account. Then, log back in to re-establish the connection. If you followed these steps and the issue continues, consider reaching out to EA Support for further assistance.